Salam alaikum. Dear friends, Ramadan is almost coming to an end. We are now in the most special and blessed days, the last 10 days of Ramadan. Do you know what makes these days so special? Let's find out together. These last 10 days are extra important because they include Laylatul Qadr, the night of decree. This is the most powerful night of the whole year. Almighty Allah tells us in the Quran that this one night is better than 1,000 months. Imagine how many rewards we can get if we pray and do good deeds. So, what can we do in these last 10 days? Let me share some simple and easy things we can all do. Pray more. Try to pray all 5 daily prayers on time and add extra prayers like tahajjud at night. This is the time to ask Almighty Allah for anything we need. Read the Quran. Even if we read just a little bit every day, it will bring so many blessings. Make lots of dua. This is the best time to ask Almighty Allah for forgiveness, mercy, and Jannah. Don't forget to say, Allahumma inaka afawun tuhibbul afwa fa'fu. Annie, oh Allah, you're forgiving and love to forgive. So forgive me, give charity. Helping others is a great way to earn rewards. We can give food, money, or even a big smile to make someone happy. Be kind and helpful. Helping our parents, sharing with friends. And using kind words all count as good deeds. The best part is that these small actions bring us closer to Almighty Allah, and they make our hearts feel happy and full of light. Let's do our best in these last 10 days and make lots of good deeds. May Almighty Allah accept all our prayers and make us among those who find Laylatul Qadr. See you in our next video, inshallah. My friends, don't forget to share this with your family and remind them too. Salam alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh.
Serene for kids.